मेरा एक स्कूल खोलने का सपना था, वो स्कूल खोलने का पूरा हुआ। मैं बच्चों से अनुरोध करता हूँ हमेशा, बच्चों को ये जो लाइफ है, स्टडी की लाइफ है, स्टूडेंट की लाइफ है, ये लाइफ बाद में फिर कभी नहीं आएगी। उस लाइफ को, उस टाइम को, उस दिन को, उसको खराब यूज ना करे, उसको अपने लाइफ के लिए सही यूज करें, उसको गलत यूज ना करें। वो हर टाइम का, एक एक मिनट का टाइम का फायदा उठाएं, स्टडी के ध्यान दें।
DRS International School is located in a very peaceful and serene environment, and it is a pollution-free environment where the students learn in a very peaceful way and comfortable way. And our school has been accredited as the IB World School by the International Baccalaureate Organization of Geneva. We run both the programs of PYP and IB Diploma program. We have also have the national accreditation of CBSE, and we have one more international program, that is IGCSE of Cambridge University, and we provide about 16 varieties of games facilities to the students and about 8 varieties of hobbies to the students. And we have learning support teacher, student counselors are there, and all our coaches and teachers are well trained and exposed. Some of my coaches are of national and international level. Even my students are also gold, silver, bronze medals at state and national and international levels. And our students last year, they visited the NASA program of the US, and they were trained how these robots and how the defense establishment of US works. And recently, some of our students have been selected for admission in Cincinnati universities of US, and some of the students have been selected for the Pune Medical College. And I am really proud that I am associated with the learning process of my students, in which I feel I am also a part of it. And I wish all my students or the products of DRS International School a very big success in their years to come.
At DRS International School, we offer IBDP, which is a diploma program from International Baccalaureate. The students range between 16 to 19 years of age. Other than academics, here we pay more attention to their overall development, their growth. We want them to meet from local to global students who are able to develop their critical analysis, judgment, which is very sound, ready to face society and world at large. Quite a few of our students are going to go abroad for further studies. Already we have 2 students who have been selected, one in Cincinnati University. With this good news, we are quite happy that we are creating students who are not only ready for this world, but actually facing the coming world, where new opportunities, new jobs will be created, and our children will be ready to face those challenges.
The IB program for students aged 16 to 19 is an academically challenging and balanced program of education with final examinations that prepare students for success at university and in life beyond. The IB program includes a written curriculum and student assessment appropriate to the age range. The program has a strong international dimension which draws on content from educational cultures around the world. It includes both individual subjects and transdisciplinary areas, giving special emphasis to learning languages. We're really happy to be a part of it in DRS International School.
영어는 세계적으로 언어로 DRS에서는 세계 문학을 DP 프로그램 중 하나로서 독립적이고 명확한 사고 방식을 위해 충분한 기회를 제공합니다. 세계 문학은 세계적인 정신 증진을 위해 강력한 역할을 담당합니다.
Hello everyone. We, the IBDP2 students, are going to perform a parody on an extract from Julius Caesar written by William Shakespeare.
That chicken was amazing, wasn't that indeed?
Beware the Ides of March.
What?
Beware the Ides of March.
Is this for the man?
You idiot, you're gonna die.
You call me an idiot? Guards, up with his head now.
My brothers, was this not a sign for us?
The chicken?
No.
Even I don't understand the significance of chicken.
No, Brutus is right. The chicken is a sign sign for what we must do.
Yes, we should start eating at the same restaurant as Anthony.
No, my brothers. Do not remember that the man fellow who predicted Caesar's death today?
I don't recall what you speak of.
Yeah, it's so much.
Shoot, sir. He's my brother-in-law. Indeed, he's a good man, sir.
Indeed, but do you not think this is an omen of what we must do?
What?
My God, we must kill Caesar.
Yes.
Indeed, my other brother-in-law was right. We must dethrone Caesar before the chicken gets into his head.
How many brother-in-laws do you have?
Indeed, I too am curious. How many?
I lost count after 19.
Focus, brothers.
Brutus, how is it that you are not intrigued by this topic?
I care only for what matters to the people of Rome.
Hell, at this rate, the entire population of Rome could become Cassius' brothers-in-law.
Just stop it.
Yeah, but true, but we must first deal with Caesar.
Yes.
So what do you think they're up to?
I'm not sure, but they seem to have a very nasty plan.
Really? How and why?
Jealousy, my dear, jealousy.
Jealous of who?
It appears to be Caesar, but we cannot say for sure. As you know, man proposes and God disposes. Let's see what God disposes here.
Did someone die? Why did you people stop so suddenly?
Caesar, Brutus is casing. I think we must deal with him too.
No, Cassius. Only Caesar shall be dealt with.
You know I can hear you, right?
Oh, hello, Anthony.
Caesar, I believe you're in grave danger. Brutus has to plan to kill you. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. You're not supposed to go to the Capitol today, Caesar. You cannot go to the Capitol building.
What a lovely flower. Lovely.
What? Caesar!
Oh yeah, let us off to the Capitol.
No, Caesar! No, Caesar, wait! They're going to kill you! Caesar!
Anthony, let me take you to the restaurant where Caesar eats.
What?
The chicken.
No, what?
Let's have some chicken, come on.
What happened? Let us off to the Capitol building.
Where you shall meet your death.
What? Brutus?
Oh, nothing. Just thinking of how many brothers-in-law does Cassius have.
Stop it.
Okay, let's go.
Now we know that Conspirator has hatched a plan to kill Caesar. Let's see what happened to Caesar and Conspirator.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, let us finish this quickly. If I don't get my nap, I'll start feeling cranky.
Caesar, I request you to redeem Publius symbol from exile.
Yes, indeed.
No! I'm constant as a rock star. I will not change my decision for a man like Publius, and I won't let him rule Rome. Enough! Hands me for me! Enter Brute, bring it on!
The Ides of March have come. The Ides of March have come.
Bye, everybody. Yeah, we'll meet tomorrow for chicken again, okay? It was really good chicken, wasn't it? Oh, damn, I missed the whole show. Oh, Caesar, dost thou lie so low? Oh, Brutus, you had so much honor. Anyway, I guess it's up to me now to rule over Rome and make sure everybody remembers these honorable men. Goodbye, my friends.
So this is how Mark Antony rose to power and the entire history of Rome changed.
I hope you all enjoyed, and now let me introduce our each characters. Casca was played by Suraj. Julius Caesar was played by Nihal. Trebonius was played by Prasad. Cassius was played by Odette. Mark Antony was played by Varun. Decius Brutus was played by Nishan. Brutus was played by Shubha. Cinna was played by Kajal. The guard was played by Tabara. The soothsayer and the narrator was played by Shreya. And our third narrator was Alisa. And our partner here is Alekia. And I'm Hayden, who plays narrator. Thank you.